Hi, in this video I will explain regarding the main method in Java with an example. Let us see it with IntelliJ. So let us open up IntelliJ. So let us create a new project. Some say Java main method. In allocation, any temporary location of your choice. So the prerequisites for this is you need to have JDK installed and IntelliJ installed in your system. So let us create a class, sample class, new Java class. Say let us name it as hello world. So here let us add the main method, public static void main string array of strings args arguments or args. So this is the standard signature of the main method. So it is a predefined signature. So you need to just remember this signature. That's it. This args can be args name can be anything of your choice. You can change it to args1 or anything. Okay, that's fine. You can keep it args for now. Here let us print some message to the console. So to print to the console, we will use the system.out with println method. So let us print this sample message. So here say hello world. Okay. So this is a fixed signature that we need to remember, and this will get used by the JVM when we ask JVM to run this hello world class. Okay. Now let us go to the command prompt. So here present working directories, this Java main method where it is the hello world class is written. So now I will use javac command to compile this Java program into Java class hello world dot Java. So javac is a command, the Java compiler command, and the input for that is hello world dot Java. So we are asking the Java compiler to convert this .java file into .class. Okay, to create Java .class file from this Java file. So now see hello world .class is created. Okay, through this javac command. Now we want to run it. Okay, now we give Java command followed by the class name hello world. So here no need to give the extension .class because it will automatically look up for hello world .class in the current directory from where this Java command is being executed. So now you can see the message whatever we have given here is being printed in the console. So if I change the signature to not have public, okay, so now if I compile it, just compile it again, and if I run it now, it will say the public static void main string arguments is the signature and main method not found in class because the signature is not present, so it will not consider this as a main method because public is missing. If the public is not there, the Java command cannot access this method inside this hello world class. So that's why you should have the public keyword. Now the second thing is, let us say static, right? The static keyword, let us delete this static keyword, and now I will compile again this Java file, javac command for compiling. So it got compiled. So now you use Java hello world. So you see error, main method is not static in class hello world. Please define the main method as like the following. So you should have the static, okay, static. Now let us see you have converted this the return type of this method to int. So in this case also since you have to return int, let us return some sample value, some 20. Okay, so now this also will not be considered as a main method, because for main method we should have void as the return type. Now I will compile it. Okay, Java C, and now it is compiled, and now let us Java run. So now you see main method must return a value of type void in class hello world. Please define the main method as public static void main arguments. So it is clearly saying that you should return always void, and here you delete this return statement. Since it is void, no need to write anything from the main method. So now if you just compile it again and run it, so it is printing the same thing. So basically the signature is fixed for Java class. Okay, if you want to run any class with the Java command by passing the class name, then the class should have the main method. Okay, if that is not having the main method, then it will complain the class name that was provided to the Java command is not having the main method. So if it is not having main method, you cannot run that method inside that class. Okay, that is the importance of it. So without any main method we cannot run the class. So it is the entry point for your Java program. Okay, so this arguments is the input arguments that you can pass it. If you want to pass to the program, then you can say hello world followed by the arguments. So if you want to print the arguments, okay, so just say for int I equal to 0, I is less than args dot length I plus plus sys dot out dot println just args of I. So this is used to print the arguments if this arguments is passed. Okay, now I will pass this one. Before that you need to compile it. Okay, Java C hello world dot Java, and just Java hello world, then followed by the arguments like say 10, 20, 30, 40, or you can pass say 10, 20, 30, 40 we have passed. Then it will print all those things. You see, hello world followed by 10, 20, 30, 40 here. So this 10, 20, 30, 40 will be passed to the arguments and they will get printed here. Okay, similarly you can pass the strings, some ABCD, some XYZ, some MNOP. Okay, so see ABCD, XYZ, MNOP. So you can pass anything that you pass after hello world will be treated as string. So here 10 also will be treated as string. So we are just printing that here. So basically the Java will bring up the Java virtual machine, and it will pass the hello world to that Java virtual machine. So JVM will run this, will load this class, and it will pass these arguments to the main method and it will run it. Hope you understood it. Thank you very much. And if you want this code to explore, it is available in the GitHub, so you can get it from here. Let me show you the link. So this is the location, so you can check out this chat location. So here you can find the main programs, main method examples as well. Okay, thank you very much. That's it about the main program, for the first part. We will cover a few other scenarios in the rest of the sessions. Okay, thank you very much.